What up, fam? Happy Saturday.
Hello.
We're getting a late start. It's 8 o'clock right now. We're headed to the park to go get some hoops on, our football on, our run and jump and play on.
I have to run.
And wrestle on.
We're not wrestling. But then we're gonna go watch some fireworks. Caesar's Palace is having a fireworks display tonight. So we're gonna go check that out too.
Pew pew. Fireworks are.
I can't. So let's get to this park and let's have some fun. You ready to have some fun? Mommy?
Fun.
Munchrat?
Whoop whoop. Are you ready?
No, you gotta go a little bit higher.
Okay, then here we go.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yeah, 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 like a boss. I jump off swings like a boss, like a boss.
Pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Always judging me about my water bottles. Always judging me.
Look how many there are.
3.
3 in the car.
3.
And some of them was yours. 2 were yours. You did.
Boy, throw the bottles away. Hurry up. All right, what kind of pizza?
Can we get cheese?
Yeah, because that's the only one that you eat is cheese. Gotta figure out which one me and mommy want.
The boys are on the hunt for ice cream. Daddy's leaving you behind. That means he's gonna pick it by himself.
No way.
We destroy ice cream in our house. It's horrible.
You like this one?
Yeah, I like that one too, but I actually only want vanilla.
You want vanilla?
No, it's for everybody. Vanilla and cheese, my plain little baby.
Yeah, I like that too.
We're ready. It's game time.
So we're in Smith's and getting our pizza and wings night, and we run up on this. I want to go vote.
And it's popping candy.
Popping candy. Do you vote that they're gonna taste good?
Yeah, look, popping red candy and popping white candy. It tastes good. And Dad won't let us get it. And he won't let me live on my childhood.
Yeah, Daniel's having a moment about dinosaur nuggets.
Listen, you live in your childhood. You alive, aren't you?
Well, I used to have those a long time ago. I want to
You know what?
This is how their arguments go.
Don't look back.
get something and we can live on our childhood.
Oh my gosh.
That's what the Bible said.
They are just arguing about nothing. About nothing.
Later.
We're trying to prank Daniel. It's not going well.
Daniel,
Yes.
pause that and come here.
I didn't do it.
Pause the TV and come here.
Charles. I really feel like there's a faster way to do that.
I got big feet. It covers a lot of ground.
But you're not. Oh my God.
So Daniel got this key. It was on top of the door frame. Tell the people how you got the key.
Okay, so I used my Ninja Turtle chair and I put all my pillows on there, then I got the key.
On top of the door frame.
On top of the door frame.
That is not safe. Is this so you can get Daddy later?
Yeah.
See what you started?
Okay, so Daniel, I'm sorry for getting you wet. Do you forgive me? Yes.
6 hours later.
What you doing?
Trying to kill my battery on my phone.
Why?
Because it's better for it to charge if you like let it die all the way out. It's better for the battery.
I've never heard that before.
A tech head told me that.
Whatever. All right, guys. So
I know, it's your pillow.
because you're so comfy, you so fluffy.
You don't love me!
Did you just call me fat?
No, I would never call you fat.
You just call me fluffy.
That's not fat.
Fluffy is fat.
No,
You've
fluffy.
never seen that comedian?
Fluffy
The
is
Hispanic comedian that talks about calling himself fluffy because he doesn't like to be called that because it's
fluffy.
insulting.
Fluffy is like, think of like a
You
hairy
just
dog.
call me fat.
It's like a
You should
fluff
sleep down here.
It's like a fluffy dog.
You should sleep down here.
No.
Did you just call me out my name?
No. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna close out this vlog before I get myself in any more trouble. Thanks for watching. It's been a fun weekend.
Fun weekend.
What did we do this weekend?
We did the fireworks show, which started off
Super whack.
lame.
Super whack.
It was horrible at first, and I was like, Charles had me come all the way over
Super close to
here.
your face. I'm sorry.
Oh
That was
my
really close to
God,
your
you put
face.
on my nose.
Yeah, definitely. Did y'all see boogers up there? Let me know.
It's probably a little snot.
Ew.
I'm having some little sinus issues.
That's gross. He keeps doing it. Anyways,
There's no snot in my nose.
we went and watched fireworks. We went and played at the park. Today we kind of just chilled around my mom's house and chilled around this house too, around our house. So it's just been a chill day. I don't know what she's doing, but I got Wednesday off for the 4th.
Hoo-hoo!
So we do a big fireworks show at my folks' house. We'll get some fireworks, set some stuff off, make it go boom.
Not gonna lie, I'm super sad about not being home for the 4th.
I know.
I am. I'm very worried that I'm gonna be super homesick for the 4th. So y'all just keep me in your prayers, because the 4th wasn't like a huge holiday in our house, but that was when like everybody would just come over, and so I'm sad.
We're gonna have fun though.
I know we're gonna have fun. I'm excited about it, and I'm glad that we'll be out of the house.
Yeah.
So I'll need that.
We're gonna have a good time.
I need remedies for homesickness, people.
Yeah, leave comments down below. If you've moved across country or moved to a new state and didn't know anybody, what were your remedies? What did you do?
Nobody.
She knows me. She knows my sister. She knows my folks.
Outside of family. Family doesn't count.
Leave comments down below. What should you do? What should she do to remedy her homesickness?
Yeah, right now all I'm doing is eating ice cream, and that is gonna end up bad for everybody involved.
That's
Since
just
I'm fluffy.
that's just too much information. So yeah, we're gonna check you guys out Wednesday. Me and Daniel are up. We're gonna do a challenge on Wednesday. That should be fun and a lot of laughs. So make sure you guys check that out. Hit those links down in our description. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram at CKD Vlogs. And yeah, what's going on? Anything else? You got anything? Nope.
Prepare for surprises. Guys, we're trying to get our subscribers up. Subscribe. If you love us, and even if you don't love us, just go ahead and hit that little button, hit the little bell for the notifications. Like, share, repeat. Like, share, repeat. Like yoga. Sounds like yoga, yeah?
You definitely said yoga, not Yoda.
I said yoga. I meant yoga. It sounds like yoga. Like, share, repeat.
You heard what the crazy woman said to do, y'all.
That's 3 insults. You call me out my name. You call me fluffy. You call me crazy. You should get comfortable here.
We love each and every one of y'all. We want you guys to have a blessed day. Go hug somebody. Tell them that you love them. 2 fingers in the air. I think you in the shot. I think you in there. Come here. There we go.
I'm not gonna hug him today.
Oh, you go hug me.
No!
Bye.
No! No!
We'll talk to y'all on Wednesday.